AI is replacing a lot of tasks that humans used to excel in. But there's one thing you do better, a unique skill no machine can replicate: the ability to tell a story that moves people and inspires them to action. To explain, I made a special trip to Jonesborough, Tennessee, the storytelling capital of America. Yeah, that's what they call it. It's the oldest town in the state, nestled in the Smoky Mountains, and it looks like every movie set in the South. It's the birthplace of America's storytelling traditions. Towns in this part of America have a rich tradition of storytelling because before TV, before radios, families would gather on their porches, on the farm, and tell stories to pass down family history, culture, values, and lessons. It's no surprise that country music has its roots here because a country song is a story set to music. We're connected through shared stories. Storytelling has been a part of our culture and most cultures around the world a lot longer than ChatGPT has been around. The point is that technology is changing the way we access information, but we as humans have not changed. We like to tell stories and listen to stories. We collectively spent $1 billion to watch the retelling of a story that's nearly 3,000 years old. The Odyssey. I'm glad Jonesborough is preserving the tradition of storytelling with events and festivals, but storytelling is also the one human skill that will set you apart. AI can generate words that sound like a story. It can even retrieve stories that have already been told. So in that way, it is a useful tool to help you improve your writing and communication. But it's your unique story that people want to hear, not one generated by a machine. No AI tool will ever replace your lived experience and the story only you can tell.